Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set paging mode settings on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down till you find the files and folders section. Then scroll down to the paging mode section in the middle, and here you can find three features: Word documents, PowerPoint documents, and PDF documents that you can set. In terms of the Word mode, you can set it to traditional, so you can swipe through pages from side to side, or you can set it to vertical, meaning that you should scroll up and down continuously. In the PowerPoint document section, you have the same options, traditional or vertical, and in the PDF mode you have also the same ones. So just simply tap on the relevant one and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.